Imagine this. You are standing at the edge of an abyss, ready to leap. Not just any abyss, though, it's the gas giant Jupiter. This isn't like falling into a hole or even plunging into the ocean. No, falling into Jupiter would mean an encounter with unimaginable forces, crushing pressures, and a journey through a planet that could swallow Earth over 1300 times. What would happen to you if you fell? How far would you make it? Would you reach some sort of core, or would you simply disappear, lost in the vastness of a gas giant? Today, let's find out. To start, let's set the stage. As you fall towards Jupiter, you'd feel a strange mix of excitement and dread. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface. This isn't a place you could land. Instead, you would dive into layer after layer of thick toxic gas. But as you enter Jupiter's atmosphere, it's not like parachuting through Earth's skies. First off, you would encounter a raging storm. The winds are up to 300 miles per hour. That's 3 times the speed of a Category 5 hurricane. Imagine trying to hold on to your hat in that. But the wild ride is just beginning. You would quickly realize that Jupiter's atmosphere isn't like Earth's at all. Here, the clouds are a strange mixture of hydrogen and helium with hints of ammonia and methane. Some scientists even think there could be clouds of water deep in Jupiter's atmosphere. Curious yet. Now, if you were hoping for a little sightseeing, you might be disappointed. This isn't a stroll in the park, it's a plunge into a world we can barely comprehend. As you continue descending, it's not just the storms that intensify. With each passing second, the pressure around you skyrockets. Think about diving deep in the ocean. Every foot you go down, the pressure increases. Now multiply that by thousands. That's what you'd feel plunging into Jupiter. At about 100 kilometers down, the pressure would become so intense that no human could survive it. In fact, at this point, the pressure is around 10 times stronger than the deepest point in Earth's ocean, the Mariana Trench. And yet you would barely be stretching the surface of Jupiter's depths. The increasing pressure would cause the gases around you to start behaving like liquids. Now, instead of floating or sinking through gases, you would be moving through something more like a dense alien ocean. And it's not just any ocean. This is a liquid made mostly of metallic hydrogen, a form of hydrogen so compressed it behaves like a metal. Just imagine being engulfed by a liquid metal ocean. Terrifying, right? I know what you are thinking. Can I swim back up? Sorry, but this isn't your local pool. So you have made it past the storms and survived the metallic hydrogen ocean, which, let's be honest, is impressive. Now you're heading towards Jupiter's core. But here's the twist. Nobody knows exactly what Jupiter's core is like. For decades, scientists have debated its composition and nature, making this the ultimate mystery. Some theories suggest a rocky core. Others hint at something more fluid or even completely absent. If there's a solid core, it could be something like Earth, but superheated and dense beyond anything we can imagine. Temperatures here may exceed 24,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. Yes, you heard that right. Falling into Jupiter might bring you closer to sun-like heat, just without the light. But let's be real. By this point, you would likely be vaporized. Anything remotely human would disintegrate in this intense environment. You wouldn't reach the core, but you would be part of the layers, pulled by gravity, endlessly circling within the planet's swirling interior. Still, you have to wonder if Jupiter could talk. What stories would it tell about all the strange things that end up in its depths? Now, as we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to think about what we've just explored. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, holds mysteries we may never fully understand. To fall into Jupiter is to confront forces and phenomena beyond human endurance, and it's a reminder of the sheer power and vastness of our universe and just how small we are within it. But perhaps it's also a call to curiosity, to keep exploring the unknown, to wonder what's out there, and to continue reaching for answers about worlds we may never see firsthand. With all its danger and mysteries, invites us to look up, dream big, and push the limits of what we think is possible.